Imagine scrubbing away stubborn rust with something softer than steel itself. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? Yet, that's exactly how steel wool works. But here's what nobody tells you. Every tiny strand begins inside roaring steel mills where temperatures can melt solid iron like butter. Inside these factories, ordinary steel transforms into millions of razor-thin strands, each thinner than many human hairs. Most people never think about this, but making steel wool demands astonishing precision from the very first manufacturing step. What happens next surprised even experienced engineers when factories first perfected this remarkable manufacturing process decades ago. A single factory can produce enough steel wool every day to clean millions of household surfaces across the world. Yet before any strand reaches your kitchen, it survives an incredible journey through heat, pressure, speed, and relentless inspection. Think about this. Thousands of microscopic steel fibers must stay perfectly uniform, or the finished product simply won't perform correctly. And this is where our factory journey truly begins, long before the first strand of steel ever exists. Because the hidden story of steel wool actually starts deep beneath Earth's surface, and it's far more extraordinary than you imagine. Most premium steel wool begins with iron or mined in Australia, Brazil, Canada, and Sweden, where deposits contain exceptionally high iron content. Some of these ore bodies contain over 65% iron, reducing waste while producing cleaner, stronger steel for manufacturing. Imagine machines taller than apartment buildings loading nearly 400 tons of rock into a single mining truck. Those trucks travel kilometers every shift before crushers reduce giant rocks into smaller pieces ready for processing. Powerful magnets remove unwanted materials, while advanced sorting systems separate valuable ore with astonishing speed and precision. Next, the concentrate travels hundreds, sometimes thousands, of kilometers by rail and cargo ships toward modern steel plants. Most people never see this hidden supply chain, yet every cleaning pad depends completely on its remarkable global journey. Inside the blast furnace, purified ore meets coke and limestone before temperatures climb beyond 1,500 degrees Celsius. The intense heat removes oxygen from the ore, creating molten iron that glows brighter than the afternoon sun. But molten iron alone cannot become steel wool. One crucial transformation still waits just ahead, and everything depends on it. The glowing ladle arrives at the basic oxygen furnace, where pure oxygen transforms molten iron into high-quality low-carbon steel. Inside, temperatures exceed 1,650 degrees Celsius, or 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while oxygen removes excess carbon within about 20 minutes. Engineers carefully adjust manganese, silicon, and other alloying elements until the chemistry matches strict production specifications. Laser sensors instantly analyze every batch, ensuring the finished steel remains clean, consistent, and remarkably strong before casting begins. Next comes continuous casting, where glowing liquid steel solidifies into long slabs moving steadily through water-cooled molds. Powerful rollers squeeze each slab repeatedly until it becomes long, thin steel strip with astonishing dimensional accuracy. After cooling, automated slitters slice the strip into narrow ribbons, preparing material for the remarkable shaving process ahead. Now the magic begins. Special cutting machines shave microscopic curls instead of drawing ordinary wire, creating authentic steel wool fibers. Each rotating cutter spins at several thousand revolutions per minute, peeling incredibly thin ribbons only fractions of a millimeter thick. What happens after these shimmering strands leave the cutters determines whether they clean gently or scratch forever, and that's where the real engineering begins. Freshly shaved fibers tumble into vibrating separators, where every strand begins its first precision grading process before final packaging. High-speed air jets remove loose particles, while powerful magnets capture unwanted metal fragments too small for human eyes. Next, computerized rollers gently fluff each bundle, creating a familiar soft texture that makes steel wool surprisingly flexible. Some premium grades receive a light coating of mineral oil that slows rust while improving shelf life and performance. Think about this. A single production line can prepare tens of thousands of pads every hour with remarkable consistency. Precision scales verify every bundle's weight within just a few grams of the target specification. AI-powered vision systems inspect every pad, instantly detecting uneven fibers, contamination, missing material, or damaged packaging. Rejected products disappear automatically, while flawless bundles continue toward packaging without slowing production line for even 1 second. Finally, robotic arms fold, wrap, seal, and box every package before pallets prepare them for worldwide shipping. But one final challenge remains. Before reaching stores, every package must survive demanding quality tests that push steel wool to its limits. Inside the testing laboratory, every batch faces strict inspections before engineers approve it for customers around the world. Precision cameras measure fiber thickness within microns, ensuring every strand performs exactly as the product grade requires. Special abrasion machines scrub metal surfaces thousands of times, proving the fibers clean efficiently without excessive scratching. Surprisingly, experienced technicians still rely on touch, instantly recognizing tiny differences that sophisticated machines occasionally overlook. Human experience and advanced automation work together, creating products that millions of households trust every single day. From ancient iron mines to intelligent factories, every strand carries an extraordinary story hidden inside an everyday cleaning pad. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear. It was born from the earth, shaped by fire, perfected by technology, and approved by the strictest standards in the world. That's human engineering at its finest. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us what product you'd like to explore next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.